Ji.
His question is based on a famous statement of His Messiah sentence, that is, you do not follow the footsteps of other nations. That is in Hamari Talim. So his question is, his indication is towards very possibly the Western nations, who are very, very advanced in technology and science and everything. So we are actually forced or bound to follow their footsteps in such regards, their technology, their discoveries.
If you misunderstood as Muslim of Islam, it only means that the evils of the other nations, whether they are Western or Eastern, even there are some evil trends in Bangladesh. So while being Bengali, you should not follow their trend. So other nations means, apart from your Ahmediyya Muslim faith, whoever is against it and has any cultural trends to mislead you, do not follow. As far as the scientific advancement is concerned, you must follow that, because Hazrat Muslim Islam has also made a prophecy that my slaves, my servants will increase in knowledge so much that they will dumbfound the greatest of the ulama or scientists of the world. So when Dr. Salam was given the Nobel Prize, this is the prophecy which was quoted by Hazrat Khalifa. This is the beginning of the fulfillment. So how could he have advised Hazrat against his own prophecy?